This is Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and of course with four-wheel drive capabilities. Also coming with the Black Diamond off-road package, giving you some unique rims, underbody protection, and the graphics such as on the hood to reduce glare, and on the sides there, looks pretty sharp. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, where you've got a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and underneath the rugged cargo floor you have your full-size spare, as well as having these tie-down points on either side, 12-volt power outlet, and the switch for your hatch lights, which can be articulated to shine where you need them. And looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial leather and cloth interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, and the backs of the seats have pouches as well as molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. Down here in the middle you have a 110-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside and warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, and a premium B&O sound system. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, now playing, fuel economy, and then you can also go into further settings and information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. You've got this little tray, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Then below that, you've got this tray area with a 12-volt USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. And then your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use, parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. Then, last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.